Okay, I went in here and created a new cast metals subcategory and copied the carbon steel to this custom library, material library. Now I click this config, so I can make sure that we're only applying material to the cast version of this weight that you see here. Oh, I should have checked this configuration. So, because it applied it to everything, it's probably still applied here, but now I don't know if this thing will cause you problems or not, but under this configurations manager you got the link display state. By default that's not checked, but it does check when you assign material, although it didn't work for me because I fucked up, so I had to check it manually. But and then apply the material specifically to the given instance. So okay, there's also a display settings box here, so and we can actually change the color of a given material.
The color of the surface in the next section, and you can make it dull, shiny. Use the standard option, which is between shiny and dull, or you can make the surface transparent. You can refine your settings if you click the advanced button. For example, you can click the illumination tab and then adjust the transparency of the surface. This setting controls the reflectivity of the surface, which is how other features and parts reflect from the surface. You can enter values from 0 to 1, with 1 reflecting like a perfect mirror. So you can think of this setting as controlling how the surface acts like a mirror. Specular spread controls the blurriness of reflections. When the reflection looks blurry, it makes the surface appear rough. Higher values of the specular spread makes the reflections from surfaces blurrier. Higher values of the luminous intensity makes the surface look brighter. And if you scroll up, you can see a couple more settings that control the look of surfaces. Diffuse amount makes the surface appear brighter or darker, and the specular amount controls the shininess of the surface. We're going to apply a material appearance to the surface, so we're going to use the Appearances panel on the right. Click the Appearances tab, and then expand Appearances. Expand Metal, and then highlight Steel. Scroll down to Machine Steel, and then double-click it. This changes the surface.
Machine steel? I don't fucking see it on here. And for some reason he has way more materials in his library than I do. Way more. Oh, here's machine steel. But yeah, he has way more. It looked like his library is bigger than mine. I'm not sure. Alright, we were editing the wrong damn one. Oh. No, what am I doing? Okay. Okay. Steel. Machine steel. Okay, and then I want to add this surface to it. Okay, got that done. Okay, you can also drag and drop materials on a surface, but I don't know, that apparently didn't work or something. No. But okay, yeah, before you do, you gotta select either faces or whatever, or a feature or the whole body. So I'm just going to select the surface, although I'm not very impressed with that in the viewport here, but that's because we're not, we can't use that photo view thing or whatever. But alternatively, you can actually pre-select a bunch of surfaces and drag a material onto it like that, apparently. I don't know. Oh, you double click it, that's what it is. Shit. So, if we just double click it, that applies the material right there. So, as you can tell, I know that, the first method we used to apply these materials was probably the best and had the most features in it and everything else. So, although this is cool too, so, I don't know.